Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start our new online session classes. Actually, my dear students, I was not hoping to meet you like this on online classes. I would be very happy to meet you in the class face to face and to have a look to your pretty faces. But due to the re-pandemic of COVID 0.2, we have to abide the SOP rules. My dear students, as you all know, last year we already suffered from this situation and we had also done online classes. Do you remember? That is from today's date of last year, 29th of April till January. Then probably from February, as usual, offline classes we started. I would like you to be safe and stay home. As you have seen how the situation is worsening day by day, how people are suffering due to the lack of oxygen, and how people are kept on waiting even to burn the dead bodies of COVID-19 patient. You have watched in the TV, the news channel, as you have seen in the dead yard in the cremation ground, no? The people are kept on waiting to burn the dead bodies. So many lines. When I used to watch the people, how they are kept on waiting, how they are suffering due to lack of oxygen, my tears used to roll down, my dear students. But we can't do anything. Dear students, please maintain social distance. Wear masks. In case in your family or you yourself is having cough or fever, wear masks at home too and wash your hands often. Take home remedies and consult a doctor too. Don't go out from home simply as elders are there to bring. If you need something, you can ask them. Pray to God. Even though you are well, thank the Almighty for keeping you safe and healthy. Pray to Lord to keep you safe from these situations. Okay, students, without wasting much time, we shall start our first lesson, that is chapter 1 from English CV. Name of the lesson is Mowgli in Trouble. This is a very interesting lessons and one of my favorite. Why you know? Because I have my daughter who is 2 years old and she like to watch the cartoon Mowgli in Trouble, and she herself think that she is the character of Mowgli. Okay, so maybe you people also you like to watch, yes or no? So let's see. So in the Jungle Book that is written by Rudyard Kipling, a little boy named Mowgli is adopted by a family of wolves. Will you go with the family of wolves? I don't think so. And brought up in the jungle. Okay. Then Baloo. Who is Baloo? Maybe you are very familiar. It's the bear. It teaches Mowgli the way of the jungle. And the next character is Bagheera, the black panthers who always protect Mowgli. So one day the Bandar Log or the monkeys kidnap Mowgli and take him away to the cold lairs. So now let's see, we will read and see how Baloo, Bagheera and others save Mowgli from the Bandar Log. So it is from page number 5. Okay. So let's see. Let's start. Baloo the bear was delighted to have Mowgli as a pupil. The boy could climb almost as well as he could swim, and swim almost as well as he could run. That means what happened? What it said is say that Baloo is delighted, happy to have Mowgli as a part of his family. Okay, so Mowgli the boy climbed all the trees, almost all the trees, and he could also swim as well as he could also run. So Baloo taught Mowgli how to tell a rotten branch from a good one. That means how to tell means how to recognize whether it is a rotten branch or whether it is a good one. Because if you jump from tree to tree, if you step on a rotten branch, you will fall down. The same thing, if Mowgli will step on the rotten branch, what will happen? He will get hurt. So that is the reason Baloo taught Mowgli how to recognize a rotten branch from a good one. He taught him how to speak politely to the wild beasts. Because as you know that bear loved honey bees. So here Baloo also taught Mowgli to speak, to handle the wild bees politely and kindly. He explained how to warn the water snakes in the pools before, so that Mowgli will splash down among them. So while swimming, while walking on the waters, he also taught Mowgli how to see, how to know whether there is a water snake or not in the water, so that he could be saved. He also taught Mowgli the stranger's hunting call. He taught Mowgli how to recognize, how to know that there are strangers. There are strangers who is coming to hunt. There are strangers and he is not safe. So he taught the Baloo. He means the Baloo taught Mowgli how to recognize the stranger's call. This call must be used whenever anyone hunts outside his own ground. It means, give me permission to hunt here because I am hungry. And the answer is, hunt then for food but not for pleasure. So here he also taught Mowgli that whenever when a stranger comes for hunting on outside ground, at the time when the hunter said, ask permission to hunt because the stranger may be hungry. At the time, the Baloo told Mowgli how to handle the situation, how to reply it. That means to hunt for food but not for pleasure. In the next paragraph, see, from the branches above, the Bandar Log would watch Mowgli learn and play. They watch his nimble fingers make things out of twigs. Nimble, here nimble means quick and light in a movement or actions. Here the Bandar Log from the monkey's family, they used to watch Mowgli. How he learned to play, how they are jumping, how he is jumping, how Mowgli is jumping like a monkey from branch to branch, and how quick the movement, how quick the actions he is taking from the twigs, from branches to branches. They found him to be very wise indeed and wanted him in their tribe. So the monkeys, they are very much excited. They want to bring Mowgli in their family. They want to bring Mowgli with them because Mowgli, he himself is acting like a monkey. So more than the monkey, Mowgli is very wise and clever. He learned each and everything nicely and with with concentrations. However, the Baloo, the bear, is taught him, Mowgli will caught it easily and he learned very quickly. So that's why the monkeys like Mowgli to be in their tribe, that means in their group. Then Mowgli would share his skill and wisdom with the Bandar Log. So why they like, because Mowgli would share the skill he learned from Baloo. He learned from Baloo, so that is the reason the monkeys like Mowgli to be in their tribe. So my dear students, for today we shall end our class here. So please go through the lessons and please follow and make uses whatever I taught you before studying the lesson. I hope you will be safe. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.